Hello everyone, this is Arun. In this video I will show you how to serve static files using Node.js. So whenever we have a website static content like a personal blog, so we need to publish it somewhere in some server. So we can publish the static content in any of the servers like Apache server, Tomcat, or also we can use XAMPP server. But now we are using Node.js server to serving the static files. So if you don't know how to create Node.js servers, please watch my previous video. In that video I explained how to create a Node.js server and how to send a JSON response. So in this video I will show you how to send static files, how to serve static files. So this is the code from my previous video. Now we will extend this code to serve the static files. So this is my project structure. In this I don't have any HTML files or public directory, so I will create one public directory. So I will keep all the HTML files in this directory, all the images, CSS content, everything it is in there, and I will create one index.html file. So this is a static file, and in this I will add some content, HTML content that will be displayed in the root path of Node.js server. Okay, so let's begin with adding HTML tags. HTML. Now we'll add header for the HTML page. So in this header tag we'll add title tag. So this is the title that will be displayed on the browser. Like here it is showing localhost. Now we'll add some other. So serving static content using Node.js. So I added some title. Now we will write some body content. I am just adding a header and some message. Hey, now you are able to serve static content using Node.js. So if you observe here, I just created a HTML page. Inside the HTML tag I added a header tag, and inside that header tag I added a title and a body tag. Inside the body I added a h1 header tag and some text here. So we will serve this static data, static content, as a response to the root path. So in my earlier video for the root path I am sending some JSON response which contains username and age. Now instead of sending this JSON response, we will send this HTML file. So let's see how we can achieve that. So for serving static content we use Express library static method, which is a middleware function which serves which is used to serve the static files like images, HTML files. So first we'll create a path variable. So Express static method uses path requires path to the folder which contains static files. So for that I am importing the path library path module into our index.js file. Now I use express apps use method which mounts the middleware functions. So here the middleware function is express.static. So we are using the help of static middleware function to serve the static content available in the path. So here we need to give the path. So the path dot join. I'm using this dot join method to join this public directory to the path. So directory name, so underscore directory name, which gives the root directory path, and for the root directory path I am adding the public directory. So this join method will join the public directory to the root directory, and it returns a path that used by static method, and this static method serves the content available in this path. Now we need to send the HTML file. Instead of sending this JSON data, we'll send the file using response send file method. So here we need to give the file name. So in our case it is index.html. So index.html. Yep, that's it. So we are sending a file index.html file in the root path, for the root path. So whenever we open the root path, so it will serve this, it will send this index.html as a response. Now we'll see, just open the terminal and start our index.js file using node command. Yeah, our server is running now. Now let's go to the browser and just refresh it. Yep. So if you see here, so this is the static content available in the index.html file. So in that file we have added a title serving static content, and this is a header. So this is how we can serve the static files using Node.js. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.